Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 2. In this unit, we are going to take a look at an introduction to software and how we can use software to build games and to do different functions. It's really important that you learn early on how to use software and understand the features of software and be able to look around inside software and figure out what you can do with that software. And that's what we're going to do in the first assignment. You are going to use a software called Kodu. Kodu is a game building software built by Microsoft. It is a free download. You can download at home, so you can practice this at home as well. When you are done this assignment, you are going to demonstrate what you have built to me. I'm going to sit down at your machine and take a look at what you built. You will be marked based on the features you have used in this software and how complex of program you have built when you have designed your game. So it will be up to you to learn these tools and to use the tools and to demonstrate the tools once this assignment is completed. So as I mentioned, this software is loaded on your computer, and the first assignment is as follows. You are going to create a terrain, and this terrain is created using these various tools down here. And the terrain you're going to build is one in which this vehicle will travel on. Everyone should be selecting this vehicle to run on your terrain. What you put on the terrain and how complex you put it is up to you. But we must have terrain that this will travel on. We can make it more complex and harder to drive through if we add things like barriers and walls and so on. So you can do things with this software like move the camera angle. And what I can do is I can just scroll out with my mouse wheel and I can take a look at the terrain that I've built. So I can change the angle using the scroll wheel. I can also hold down the right key on my mouse and move the mouse up and down and change the angle of view. So what you're going to do is you are going to create terrain based on your initials. My initials are TM, so you are going to build your terrain based on your initials. So I should be able to make them out. So here is a T and here is an M. Separated by those two is something creative that I want you to come up with. You might create this so this vehicle has to, as it travels down this path, come around this corner and then jump from the first initial to the second initial. So we must have our initials, we must have the vehicle that I've showed you down below, we must use this vehicle, and like I said, the more complex you build this, the more you will gain in terms of a grade for this assignment. So I think you'll enjoy building this game. It takes a little while to get used to how it works, but I think you'll find it pretty straightforward. As I said, you can make this as complex as required. You only have so many class periods to do this. We will have multiple software programs that we are going to use in this unit. This is the first one. I hope you enjoy using it. It is called Kodu. You can open it up now on your computer and start trying it. Have fun, everyone.